46과 더 신경 쓰도록 하자. 대화 1.
이걸 어쩌지? 수피카, 지난번에 바꾼 사료 말이야. 소한테 잘 안 맞는 것 같아.
그래요? 농협중앙회에서 좋은 거 나왔다고 해서 바꾸신 거잖아요.
추천하길래 믿고 한번 써봤는데 오늘은 배까지 이렇게 불룩해지고 가스도 많이 찬 것 같아.
그럼 어떻게 하죠?
우선 아무것도 먹이지 말고 수의사부터 불러야겠어. 그리고 앞으로는 더 신경 쓰도록 하자. 소들이 고생을 많이 한 것 같아. 에휴.
대화 2.
금을 좀 미리미리 정리해 놓으라니까 또 그냥 이렇게 뒀네?
어디 좀 봐. 몇 번이나 말했는데 또 그런 거야? 가림 형, 이건 실수가 아니야. 이번엔 마문 씨 불러서 단단히 혼을 좀 내.
한 번 쓴 그물은 다 엉켜서 다시 쓰기 어려우니까 꼭 풀어놓으라고 했는데 이것 때문에 오늘도 작업을 제때 못하게 됐잖아.
집어등도 새로 안 갈았고 양만기도 그대로야.
안 되겠다. 당장 마문 씨 좀 불러다가 얘기를 해야겠어.
46과 EPS 토픽 듣기 1에서 2번 다음 그림을 보고 알맞은 것을 고르십시오. 1번
1,
소를 길러요.
2,
양을 길러요.
3,
닭을 길러요.
4,
돼지를 길러요. 2번
1,
어선을 준비해요.
2,
갈퀴를 준비해요.
3,
통발을 준비해요.
4,
그물을 준비해요. 3에서 4번 질문을 듣고 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오. 3번
수피카 씨는 농장에서 어떤 일을 해요?
4번
집어등이 좀 어두운 것 같네요. 갈아야겠어요.
5번 이야기를 듣고 질문에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오. 어제 작업할 때 보니까 양만기가 잘 돌아가지 않던데.
안 그래도 술이 맡겼으니까 곧 고칠 거예요. 그리고 오늘은 멀리 안 나갈 거니까 괜찮아요. 금을 엉킨 게 있는지만 좀 확인해 봅시다.
Lesson 46, Grammar 1. We've already learned several ways to make requests, for example, by using 세요, 으세요. It can be used to give a command like, please close the window. Sometimes, however, the request is something more complicated than just opening or closing something. It might be a process, and the person asked will have the responsibility to complete it entirely. In that case, we add 도록 to the main verb and then 하세요 at the end. It is something said to a worker or employee, so it is not honorific. Instead, it implies a certain level of trust that the person being asked can get the job done. You can also use this about yourself when you tell someone else you will take care or finish something. 하도록 하겠습니다. I will take care of it. I will see it through. Let's check it out. In other words, 도록 하다 attached to a verb is used to indicate that a speaker requests someone to perform a certain action. Let's hear what the boss has to say today.
먼저 먼지부터 닦도록 하세요. 그럼 창문을 좀 열게요.
First, clean from the dust. Then I will open the window. Good. What was the request? 닦도록 하세요. Good. What does the verb 닦다 mean? To clean off, to wipe up. Great. And let's see another example. This time it's from your teacher.
중요한 시험이니까 열심히 준비하도록 하세요. 네, 최선을 다하도록 할게요.
It is an important test, so please study hard for it. Yes, I'll do my best. Here, the teacher and the students use the same phrase. What did the teacher ask the students to do? 열심히 준비하도록. And what does the student say? 최선을 다하도록. How about you? If you are getting ready for a test soon, you can say this too. Let's say it together. 네, 최선을 다하도록 할게요. You can do it. Lesson 46, Grammar 2. Sometimes things are out of our control. It rains, so a fishing trip gets canceled. We get sick, so we can't do the work. Or everyone works hard, so we finish a project early. That's when we use this phrase, que 되다. It shows that the subject did not make the verb happen, but instead it happened to them. When we use this about something someone else couldn't go well, we're not blaming them. It's a way of saying, it wasn't your fault, there was another reason. Also, on the flip side, we use it to say, I can't take the credit, things just turned out that way. So, using this is part of being humble and having a good relationship with others. In other words, que 되다, attached to a verb, is used to indicate the idea that a situation has been arranged by a certain external condition or influence. Sometimes that external condition might be the weather, or another person, or just something else we can't quite explain. Let's hear a few different kinds of examples.
날씨 때문에 오늘도 작업을 못하게 되었어. 큰일이다. 내일은 좋아질까?
Because of the weather, I can't start my work again today. Oh, it's a big deal. Will it be clear tomorrow? Oh, here's something new. Look at the first speaker's verb ending. 못하게 되었어. What's missing? There's no yo. Good. Is that formal or informal? That means it's informal, right? And we can see the speaker couldn't start the work. What kind of work do you think it is? Maybe something outside. So, how do you say, I couldn't start or I couldn't do something? 못하게 되었어요. Let's see another example about eating.
바트 씨는 한국 음식을 잘 먹네요. 처음에는 못 먹었는데 몇 달 지나니까 잘 먹게 되었어요.
Bart is eating Korean food well. He wasn't able to eat well at first, but he became able to eat well a few months later. Notice the change in Bart. He couldn't eat Korean food, but now he is able to eat it. How can you say he is able to eat well? Good. Maybe his body adjusted to the food, and that's why he is able to eat.
(46과) 1. 대화를 듣고 질문에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
아주머니, 계란 선별 다 했어요. 이제 뭐 하면 돼요?
벌써 다 했어요? 수고했어요. 그럼 이제 저쪽 닭장에 가서 사료 좀 주세요.
네. 그런데 사료는 어디에 있어요?
비닐하우스 옆에 있는 창고에 있어요. 이 사람들은 지금 어디에 있습니까?